If you are like most married couples, you probably know who you're going to leave your home to when you die. Worryingly, if you and your partner own the property jointly, then your plans may not be realised. Imagine the council taking away your home from your children after you'd slaved your entire life to pay off the mortgage. How does that make you feel? Angry? Worried? Concerned? Owning a property jointly means you and your partner each own 100%, so when you die it will pass over to your other half absolutely. You might be thinking that's fine, but what happens if your partner later goes into care and has no money to pay for it? The council can force you to sell your house to pay for care fees, leaving your children without the legacy you hoped to leave. 40,000 people are forced to sell their homes every year in the UK to pay for care, negating all your hard work to secure the future for your family. Happily, this can all be avoided if you put the wheels in motion now, long before you need to think about going into care. Simply by changing the ownership of your property to tenants in common and setting up a simple trust, you can protect your home from the money-grabbing local authority and make sure your children and future generations benefit.